Hi everyone, it's Taylor here, and today I'm going to share with you how I created this super simple calendar that is sure to dress up any desktop. It'll be a perfect gift, or you can use it for yourself. It features our clipboard calendar suite panels. These are pre-printed panels with encouraging sentiments, and we also have a snarky version for those of you who enjoy that kind of thing. I'm just flipping through to show you the different imagery and sentiments that are on each of the panels. They're sized perfectly to work with our mini tear-off calendar to create that beautiful desktop gift. I'm going to be foiling these with the Deco foil gold color, and as I remove these sheets, I am going to show you that you can foil all 12 of these panels with 2 sheets of the gold foil. I'm just trimming those down to more nicely fit through my Mink machine, but it should only take 2 full sheets of foil to do all of the foiling on this. I have my Mink machine set to a heat setting of 5, and when you place your foil over the top, you want to make sure you can see the shiny part of the foil, and that's what's going to stick down then to the toner that the cards are printed with. I love the look of the foil, and it really makes your whole calendar look very professional and polished. So I've done all 12 panels with the gold foil. You can see it shimmering in the light. And now I'm going to add some color to a few of the panels. I decided not to color all of the panels, but these images really lend themselves to different greens, so I chose YG 93, 95, and 97, and I'm coloring in the different portions of the leaves. I didn't do any shading on this particular panel, but for the next panel, I'm going to start with the lightest color, the YG 93, and then move to the 95, where I'll add some flicking to the base of each leaf, and then I'll finish with the 97 to add some more darkness toward the base of each leaf. Now the nice thing about the foil is that you can color right directly over the portions that are foiled. You don't have to try to avoid them, so that makes the coloring go super quickly. Now I'm showing you the clipboard calendar stand. This is made of sturdy, beautiful walnut wood that's sourced from right here in the Midwest. So the calendar comes with the gold clip at the top. I have cut a piece of mulled wine cardstock at 4 by 5.5 that will fit perfectly on the background of the calendar. Then I'm adhering my 2022 calendar to some gold foil cardstock to match with the gold clip, and then I'm going to adhere the entire piece below my panels. I want to be able to switch out those panels however my mood desires for the day. You could switch it out once a month, or you could switch it out more often, however the recipient chooses to do that. I have the basic gray magnetic discs that I have applied, one to the back and then one to the panel. You would adhere one of the magnets to the back of each of the panels so that your recipient could switch out the panels whenever they desire. So I'm slipping them into one of our calendar storage sleeves that are perfectly sized to fit behind the clipboard calendar. So everything is all together. When they're ready to switch something out, they can just take it out of the back and switch that panel to the front. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find all of the products to create the clipboard calendar at the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com.